Okay, can we talk about Ashton Hall for a second? Because this guy didn't just go viral, he engineered it. And we're talking millions, I mean hundreds of millions of views. Duolingo and Captain Crunch are copying him. Even Atletico Madrid, one of the largest soccer clubs in the world, is posting about Ashton Hall's morning routine. And all of it came from doing the exact same thing every morning. This video is a breakdown of exactly what Ashton did and how he married a format, created a signature style, and turned it into a viral machine. And most importantly, how you can apply the same concept to your own content or brand. So Ashton was already active online. He was posting fitness content, day in the life videos, lifestyle type of content he was consistent with, but he wasn't hitting the scale and the hundreds of millions of views he was hitting now. And let me be clear, his videos were hitting millions. But I think this is where most creators kind of give up or they stop because they don't evolve. They just create the same content over and over again and they don't do anything new. He decided to lock into this format of waking up, pouring ice into the bowl, grabbing a bottle of Saratoga water, and then dunking his head in the bowl, and then continuing with the rest of his day in the life. And he did this over and over again. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy, but he had someone filming him doing this and he was doing it consistently. And this blew up. And the reason this blew up is because when you marry a format, your audience learns what to expect and it creates that stickiness. And eventually it started hitting more. And instead of getting millions of views, the dude's getting hundreds of millions consistently. Like people weren't just watching, they're anticipating the next one. And he became recognizable. And that's the key. Because Captain Crunch did a spoof of it. Duolingo recreated it. Other creators are recreating it. Atletico Madrid is literally creating a Twitter post around Ashton Hall's morning routine. And even people on Twitter are going to the grocery store, buying Saratoga water and bananas and being like, am I locked in? Like, it's gaining this type of traction. And this format went from being just his content to literally becoming part of culture. Like, we literally have Piers Morgan on live television doing Ashton Hall's morning routine. That's how much impact this has. And here's what most creators and business owners miss. You don't need to go viral by accident. You can design content that scales by owning a format and showing up with it consistently. Ashton literally made himself unskippable. Not by being the loudest, not by being predictably different, not by doing anything crazy. He built a signature style and through repetition, clarity, and tone has crushed it. Like, he's literally gained 7 million followers since November. And here's the crazy part. This isn't just something that only big creators can pull off. My client Megan did the exact same thing. When we started working together, she had around 60,000 followers. She was showing up, but her content wasn't converting. So we helped find a format that fit her, and we built a simple system around it, and she married it. And 6 months later, she went from 60,000 followers to 1.5 million followers, just from locking into one clear content lane and showing up consistently. It wasn't luck. It was strategy, structure, and clarity. If you're watching this thinking, Rico, just tell me what to post. I just need to know how to show up consistently. That's exactly what we do inside my program, One Video Away. And whether you're a creator, business owner, or personal brand, this is quite literally designed to help you lock in a repeatable format, build a signature style, and actually grow your audience. So if you want to join, I'm going to put the link in the description below. Would love to have you in there. So what does this mean for you? Whether you're a content creator, personal brand, or business owner, it's the same game. Pick a format that feels natural to you, make it simple and repeatable, lock in your tone, rhythm, and visuals, and do it over and over again until people associate you with it. That's how you create recognition. That's how you build brand equity, and that's how you scale attention. Ashton Hall didn't just get lucky. He built a lane. He married a format, he repeated it, and now it's everywhere. This is what it looks like to build a brand in public. Like, if you want the playbook for what it looks like to build a brand in public, Ashton is the blueprint. So I hope this helped, and if it did, make sure to subscribe for more creator breakdowns just like this. Nonetheless, I'd love to have you inside One Video Away. Link is in the description. With that being said, you're one video away. I'll see you in the next one.